What's up everyone, this is your homegirl Kari, and today I bring you another tutorial. I saw the Lego Movie 2 with my kids a while back, and I saw General Sweet Mayhem, and I really wanted to do her makeup. So this is what I bring you today. If you want to know how to get this look done, just keep watching. So first off, I'm going to start with the base, and I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 00.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Next, I'm using my NYX Ultimate Palette. I don't have the names for this shade, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it here on the screen. And with this shade, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the crease and blend it out and blow it out as much as I can.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.
So with a darker blue, I'm going to go ahead and pat it on my lid and then slowly building it up.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me.
Next, I'm going back with my previous brush and I'm going to blend these two colors together and then go back again with the darker blue.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Now for the eye, I'm going to go ahead and use this pink and also do the same thing. Put it in the crease, blow it out as much as I can.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption.
And then I'm going to go in with the hot pink and put it all over my lid.
Children sing aloud, it's music till the wick burns out.
Now I'm going in with my ColourPop Numero Uno black eyeliner, and I'm going to do a double wing.
Picking up daisies, got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah, just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
Next, I'm going to put my concealer. I'm using the Flower Beauty Concealer and putting it under my eyes.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinny.
Now I'm going in with that pink shade and I'm going to put this on my lower lid. And then on the other eye, I'm going in with the blue.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Now with my NYX liquid white liner, I'm going to go ahead and put the 3 dots and do it the same thing on both eyes.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up days.
For my face, I'm using the CC cream from It Cosmetics and I'm putting this all over my face. I like to blend it out with a sponge.
Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Now with my Benefit Cosmetics bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the hollow of my cheeks. I forget how pigmented this is, so if you do have this or you want to buy it, just go in slowly. And I do recommend it. It is pretty pigmented.
See the world through ice covered in
Now for cheeks, I'm going in with the shade Noodle. I'm gonna use my Real Techniques brush and then smile and tap it on my cheeks.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's all.
For highlighter, I'm using the Super Shock highlighter from ColourPop called Monster. And this is a pretty pink highlight.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming.
After that, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe setting spray. I love this setting spray. Namaste. That's how it makes me feel. Now I'm going in with Cakewalk and I'm going to put this in my inner corner on the blue side. And for my left side, I'm going to be using the Big 3.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's all.
Then I'm going to go in with NYX with the liquid cream lipstick in the shade Purple. And this is a close-up of the eyes. I had so much fun doing this look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.
I wanna taste your content.